Hey,
it's not right.
guys,
The one who's sitting with knife, where is it?
I think one of the ran away.
I think it's going to Zimbabwe, run away.
Yeah, but he cannot run away. They will catch him. Guys, we are in Johannesburg. We are in Johannesburg. What is the name of this area?
Marais.
We going to the service for the late Trevor. What's the surname?
Nzira.
Trevor Nzira. Yes. I'm working with some of the family members. You are the girlfriend? The friend. Oh, all right. So we are going to the scene now. I'll show you where the incident took place, where the person was stabbed. We are closer to the scene area. You see, it's one of those funerals whereby the tempers are very high from the family members, the friends. You can see itself. We hope it's not going to be a big fight, because there's been a lot of revenge from other fellow Zimbabweans. They are not accepting it. So this is a very painful moment and experience to family members. So don't be surprised if anything is going to be violent. I heard that the police were involved in the morning to try to calm the situation, but it's not going, doesn't look. So anyway, you see my vehicle now. The deceased is carried on this big trailer. That's where the deceased is. So we're going to the scene of the accident. We're driving to the scene. And you can see the temperatures are not the guys are already ready to fight. They really want to fight. They are not accepting it. You can see what is happening now. You can also take your friends who want to witness this funeral. Please take all your friends. There is a fight. You can see people, there's a lot of things. Just take all your friends.
They want to take out the coffins anyway.
Okay, but put a coffin. It's okay. Aya. Guys, can I get just wait.
Ibei wangu wae kuchema kambaretu.
sorry. So, Joe Parker, Tangira Kuku. Hey. Guys, varukunyora chiti social distancing, vakutora nyema mask, that's nonsense. You don't tell people kuti anti ma mask social distancing. Understand the situation yokureva kwakaita mukomana uyu. This community is very angry. Don't come and talk about my mask, my notes. This is nonsense. You don't understand how these people are feeling. Guys, I mentioned to you kuti mukomana uyu maurayirwa akaitwa akaurayiwa nemamwe maZimbabweans vaimwa nawo. So this community is very angry. They've united pachavo vese maZimbabweans, maSouth Africans to make sure kuti vabata vakomana ivava. Police was there in the morning to try to disperse the people to calm the situation. You need to understand kuti vanhu vanoreacta zvakasiyana siyana. Mukomana uyu almost vakamuuraya vaitoda kutobvisa huro. Maona vaida kutomubvisa huro. Stamp imwe step yakabva kumashure kogoita imwe yanga iri pachest. Saka understand makauya muchitanga kutaura nyaya yesocial distancing pane paisingashande. Vanhu avari they are very angry. Police had to come here. Saka chimbomirai kutaura nyaya yemasocial distancing. So anyway, they are going to the service. Saka, yeah. I think you have seen the scene. Pakaurairwa munhu wachona.
Hey!
So akukwenda ndekupu. Where are they going? The war. Okay. Was he staying here? And here, what happened?